Hello. This is a dash cam, and I had this in my van, and since my van, you know, it's got the A disabled, and I haven't had time to fix it right now. It's getting winter time. As you can see, this is my phone is connected wirelessly. It has its own Wi-Fi, and the unit's being powered. And you hear the little beeping noise, and I'm just projecting it over here to the larger screen because we got it like that. But if you want to use your dash cam for something, you know, 24 hours, I use mine 72 hours all day and never shut it off. Because it might record something that you might need to see, or incident or accident. This is your protection in today's time for what you need in the world. Because people are not going to come out to court and they don't want to hear nothing about a kid ran out in front of you on a dirt bike. They're going to label you as the guilty party. So, what I have powered is this simple battery over here. Run into this simple connection over to a cigarette lighter. And I'm going to put this in my daughter car because I'm going to be using that for a while. And this is going to be your big brother. This setup costs some money right here. But when you get in charge for an accident and it's not your fault, it could cost you 1,000 to 100,000 or 300,000, and your insurance go up. But if you can show them that you were able to prove that you wasn't at fault, you know, just a little thing could. The new cars don't stay powered. This is the reason why I'm showing you what you could do. You can hide this underneath the seat, or you use a solar generator. Cheap solar generator is small, and that is how it runs to the house outlet. They have cigarette lighter. They could charge it up. So every time you get in the car and drive off and drive it, you could charge it up. So I'm not showing this to give companies. This costs a lot of money to have a dash cam. And this, as you can see, it's got good quality on poor lighting. It takes a while to register. Look, it takes a while. See that? And I'm staying still now. See? It takes a while, a few seconds delay, but it works. So if you don't want to run something a little bit more balls, they can charge it as you get in and plug it to the cigarette lighter. So when you get in to drive around, you can hide it underneath the seat for your battery source. So I'm just showing you what you could do with it. But I prefer this right here because you could use the cigarette lighter to charge this up. Really, you could do the same, but you have to get a power. You can't. It takes a while. And these not really made for car charge up. You have to take it in the house, so you have to get 2 or 3 batteries like that if you do it this way. This way, you can use the solar generator, and it's the name of the company right here. So far, I'm very pleased with this company. It's not a whole lot of watts. It doesn't have a whole lot of voltage. It takes a long time to charge up. If it discharges, it takes about 7 hours. But, it works. And if you don't want to record it all the time, you can always cut it off. But this is the purpose of having this on, to protect your interests. You leave it plugged up underneath the seat and run wires underneath the seat. This is poor man security. If you get the big, more expensive units, they have the batteries and stuff. You're looking at about $1,200-1,500 for a professional to wire it up and have dash cam. What I'm going to do is have 2 of these for the front and the back, so it's always got power to power it. So to protect your back and front. and somebody hits you while you sit in park, you got cameras to capture their tags or the events. Then when they take off, you can always capture the front and back tag, if you're lucky. But this is a good camera, so I don't expect for you to buy a good camera. Thinkware is the program that uses it. And as you see, as I move around, it's a small delay in it, transition, but it works. Milliseconds. And if it fills the bump, it freezes that and recorded it. This has saved my tail so many times. I had somebody hit me, and I was recording, and I got perfect video of the guy running into my mirror. And when I showed the guy the video of it, he just put his head down. So today, you want to try to get something to protect your interests. If you don't have it today, it's your word against their word. But a video speaks 1,000 words when you hand it to your insurance company. I sent plenty of video to insurance companies from incidents of taking it off of this camera. So this is your cheap insurance. Yeah, it might cost you $600 or $700 to get it, or $800 investment. But one accident would pay for itself 100 times over again. And this is a protection of yourself. People are not gonna come out and hold your hands after you have been in an accident. So I'm going to cut this video short. It's too long now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.